Disclaimer: the FDA does not endorse or regulate the use of natural remedies or supplements for treating high blood pressure, and these should not replace prescribed medications. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your treatment plan.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Vegan Lifestyle blog channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic that affects millions: high blood pressure. If you've been diagnosed with hypertension, or you're just looking to proactively protect your heart health through powerful plant-based solutions, you're in the right place. We're going to dive into the best practices, the actionable natural steps you can take to reduce high blood pressure and live a healthier life. Let's jump right in. First up, and arguably one of the most impactful areas, are your dietary changes. What you eat plays a massive role in your blood pressure numbers. The cornerstone of this approach is the DASH eating plan, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This isn't just a fad diet. It's a scientifically backed approach that emphasizes whole, unprocessed plant foods. The first best practice is to reduce sodium, salt, intake. Salt is a major culprit when it comes to high blood pressure. Aim for less than 1,500 milligrams of sodium per day, or at the very least, less than 2,300 milligrams. This means being vigilant about processed foods. Think canned soups, frozen dinners, and fast food, as these are often loaded with hidden salt. Get creative in the kitchen by using herbs, spices, lemon juice, or vinegar to flavor your meals instead of reaching for the salt shaker. Next, you want to naturally boost potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These vital minerals, abundant in plants, help counteract sodium and promote relaxation in your blood vessel walls. Load up on potassium-rich foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, avocados, beans, and lentils. For magnesium, incorporate whole grains, nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables into your diet. Generally, eat heart-healthy, plant-based foods. Build your meals around whole fruits, a variety of vegetables, and whole grains. Include legumes, nuts, and seeds as your primary sources of protein and healthy fats. Conversely, you'll want to limit saturated fats. These are commonly found in meat and dairy products, but also in tropical oils like coconut and palm kernel oil. Cutting back on these can contribute to lower cholesterol levels and healthier arteries. Moving on from diet, our second major area is physical activity. Regular exercise is like a wonder drug for your heart. It strengthens your heart muscle, allowing it to pump blood more efficiently and with less effort, which directly reduces the pressure on your arteries. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week. That's about 30 minutes most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. And don't worry if you can't do 30 minutes all at once. Breaking your activity into shorter, 10-minute bursts throughout the day can be just as effective. Also, try to include strength training at least 2 days per week. This doesn't mean you need to become a bodybuilder. Light weights, resistance bands, or even bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats are fantastic. And finally, just move more throughout your day. If you have a sedentary job or lifestyle, take short 5 to 10-minute breaks each hour to stretch and walk around. Every bit of movement helps. Our third best practice focuses on weight management. There's a strong correlation between weight and blood pressure. As weight increases, blood pressure often does too. Losing even a small amount of excess weight, say 5 to 10 pounds, can make a significant difference in reducing your blood pressure. Pay attention to your waistline. Carrying too much weight around your middle is a particular risk factor for high blood pressure. Generally, the risk increases for men with a waist size greater than 40 inches, and for women with a waist size greater than 35 inches. Finally, let's talk about natural remedies and lifestyle habits. These are often overlooked, but are incredibly powerful. Limit alcohol. The fewer alcoholic drinks you consume, the better your blood pressure will be. For men, limit to 2 drinks or less per day. For women, it's 1 drink or less per day. Quit smoking. This is non-negotiable for heart health. Nicotine temporarily spikes your blood pressure and actively damages your artery walls. Quitting smoking has immediate and long-term positive effects on your blood pressure and overall cardiovascular health. Manage stress. Chronic stress is a silent contributor to high blood pressure. Utilize natural stress-busting techniques. Practice mindfulness, deep breathing, or yoga. Prioritize adequate, restful sleep, and make sure to take time for relaxing activities. And a crucial habit: monitor your blood pressure. Invest in a reliable home blood pressure monitor and check your readings regularly. Keep a log. This empowers you and helps your doctor track your progress and adjust your treatment plan effectively. So there you have it, the best plant-based and natural practices to reduce high blood pressure. These are proven strategies that can make a profound difference in your health. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Your health, your choice. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button, share this video with a friend who needs it, comment below with your favorite plant-based tip, and subscribe for more content from the Vegan Lifestyle blog channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.